Real estate investing is a powerful wealth building strategy that has created millionaires and billionaires around the world. It offers a unique combination of income generation, asset appreciation, and tax advantages that make it a popular choice among investors. In Real Estate Investing 101, we will explore the fundamentals of real estate investment, from understanding different property types to strategies for building wealth through real estate. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's start. Why real estate investing? Benefits of real estate investing. Discuss the advantages of investing in real estate, including cash flow, appreciation, tax benefits, and diversification. Highlight how real estate can provide passive income, protect against inflation, and offer long-term wealth growth. Risks and challenges. Address potential risks and challenges associated with real estate investing, such as market fluctuations, property management, and financing issues. Emphasize the importance of risk management and due diligence. Types of real estate investments. Residential real estate. Explain the concept of residential real estate, which includes single-family homes, multi-family properties, condos, and apartment buildings. Discuss the pros and cons of investing in residential properties. Commercial real estate. Define commercial real estate and its various subtypes, such as retail, office, industrial, and hospitality. Explore the potential benefits of commercial real estate investing, including higher rental income and longer lease terms. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Introduce real estate investment trusts, REITs, as a way to invest in real estate without direct property ownership. Explain how REITs work, their tax advantages, and their role in a diversified investment portfolio. Getting started with real estate investment. Setting investment goals. Encourage investors to define their financial goals and objectives, such as income generation, long-term wealth building, or retirement planning. Emphasize the importance of aligning real estate investments with specific goals. Financial preparation. Discuss the financial prerequisites for real estate investment, including savings for a down payment, emergency funds, and good credit. Provide guidance on improving credit scores and managing personal finances. Real estate market research. Explain the significance of market research and location analysis in real estate investment. Offer tools and resources for conducting market research, evaluating property values, and identifying investment opportunities. Real estate investment strategies. Buy and hold. Describe the buy and hold strategy, which involves acquiring properties for long-term ownership and rental income. Discuss the benefits of this strategy, including passive income and potential property appreciation. Fix and flip. Introduce the fix and flip strategy, where investors purchase distressed properties, renovate them, and sell for a profit. Highlight the risks and rewards of this strategy, including the need for property rehabilitation expertise. Short-term rentals, Airbnb. Explore the growing trend of short-term rentals through platforms like Airbnb. Discuss the benefits of higher rental income and flexibility, along with the challenges of property management and regulation compliance. Financing your real estate investments. Mortgage loans. Explain how mortgage loans work in real estate financing, including types of mortgages, e.g., fixed rate, adjustable rate, and down payment requirements. Offer tips on securing favorable mortgage terms. Creative financing. Introduce creative financing options, such as seller financing, private lending, and partnerships. Discuss the potential advantages and risks of creative financing strategies. Real estate crowdfunding. Explore the concept of real estate crowdfunding, where multiple investors pool their funds to invest in properties. Discuss the advantages of diversification and accessibility in real estate crowdfunding. Property management and maintenance. Self-management versus property management. Compare the options of self-managing rental properties or hiring professional property management services. Discuss the responsibilities of property managers and the cost implications. Maintenance and repairs. Stress the importance of property maintenance to protect and enhance property value. Offer maintenance tips and guidelines for landlords and property owners. Real estate taxes and legal considerations. Tax advantages of real estate. Explain the tax benefits associated with real estate investment, including deductions, depreciation, and 1031 exchanges. Encourage investors to consult with tax professionals for optimal tax planning. Legal aspects. Discuss legal considerations in real estate investment, such as contracts, leases, and property regulations. Emphasize the need for legal counsel and compliance with local laws. Real estate market cycles. Understanding market cycles. Define real estate market cycles, including phases like expansion, peak, contraction, and recovery. Explain how market cycles impact property prices and investment strategies. Timing your investments. Offer strategies for timing real estate investments based on market cycles. Discuss the concept of contrarian investing and buying during market downturns. Real estate investment risks and mitigation. Risk assessment. Identify common risks in real estate investing, including market risk, liquidity risk, and property-specific risks. Discuss the importance of conducting risk assessments for each investment. Risk mitigation strategies. Provide risk mitigation strategies, such as diversification, insurance, contingency plans, and thorough due diligence. Highlight the role of risk tolerance in investment decisions. Building a real estate portfolio. Portfolio diversification. Explain the concept of diversifying a real estate portfolio by investing in different property types and locations. Discuss the benefits of spreading risk through diversification. Scaling your investments. Explore strategies for scaling real estate investments over time, such as reinvesting rental income, leveraging equity, and exploring new markets. Real estate investment exit strategies. Selling properties. Discuss the process of selling properties as an exit strategy. Highlight factors to consider when deciding to sell, such as market conditions, property appreciation, and investment goals. 1031 exchange. Explain the concept of a 1031 exchange, a tax-deferred strategy that allows investors to sell one property and reinvest the proceeds into another property without paying immediate capital gains taxes. Real estate investment challenges and pitfalls. Over-leveraging. Discuss the risks associated with over-leveraging or taking on too much debt in real estate investments. Emphasize the importance of managing debt responsibly. Market volatility. Address the potential impact of market volatility and economic downturns on real estate investments. Offer strategies for mitigating risks during uncertain times. Property management issues. Highlight common challenges in property management, such as tenant turnover, maintenance, and unexpected expenses. Provide guidance on effective property management strategies. Real estate investment and retirement planning. Retirement income. Explain how real estate investments can generate a reliable stream of passive income during retirement, supplementing other retirement income sources. Real estate in retirement accounts. Discuss the option of holding real estate investments within retirement accounts like self-directed IRAs and 401ks. Explain the advantages and limitations. Real estate investment trends. Emerging markets. Explore emerging real estate markets and trends, including opportunities in up-and-coming cities or regions. Sustainable and green real estate. Discuss the growing interest in sustainable and environmentally friendly real estate investments. Highlight the potential benefits of green investments. Real estate investment and passive income. Passive income strategies. Examine strategies for generating passive income through real estate, such as rental properties, real estate crowdfunding, and real estate investment trusts, REITs. Achieving financial freedom. Discuss how real estate investments can contribute to achieving financial freedom by creating multiple streams of passive income that cover living expenses. Real estate investment resources. Real estate investment tools. Provide a list of essential tools and resources for real estate investors, including property analysis software, real estate websites, and investment calculators. Real estate investment education. Highlight the importance of continuous education in real estate investing. Recommend books, courses, and industry publications for further learning. Real estate investment and tax efficiency. Tax benefits of real estate. Examine the various tax advantages of real estate investments, including deductions, depreciation, and capital gains treatment. Explain how these tax benefits can enhance overall returns. Tax strategies for real estate investors. Provide insights into tax strategies for real estate investors, such as using 1031 exchanges, maximizing deductions, and structuring investments for tax efficiency. Real estate investment and legacy planning. Passing on real estate assets. Discuss strategies for passing on real estate assets to heirs as part of estate planning. Address considerations like inheritance taxes, trusts, and gifting. Real estate as a legacy. Highlight the potential for real estate investments to create a lasting legacy for future generations, including the role of family trusts and generational wealth building. Real estate investment and philanthropy. Charitable real estate donations. Explore options for making charitable donations involving real estate assets, such as gifting properties to charitable organizations. Impact investing in real estate. Discuss the concept of impact investing in real estate, which combines financial returns with social or environmental goals. Explain how investors can make a positive impact through real estate. Navigating real estate market volatility. Risk management. Provide advanced strategies for managing risks associated with market volatility, including diversification, hedging, and monitoring economic indicators. Opportunistic investing. Discuss the potential for finding investment opportunities during market downturns and economic crises, including distressed properties or value-add projects. Real estate investment and entrepreneurship. Real estate development. Explore the entrepreneurial side of real estate investment by discussing real estate development opportunities, including residential and commercial projects. Real estate partnerships. Examine the benefits and challenges of forming real estate partnerships or joint ventures to pursue larger and more complex investment opportunities. Real estate investment and geographic diversification. The importance of geographic diversification. Discuss the benefits of geographic diversification in real estate investing, including spreading risk, accessing different markets, and capturing growth opportunities. Investment considerations for different locations. Examine the unique factors to consider when investing in different geographic areas, such as urban versus rural markets, coastal versus inland regions, and international opportunities. Real estate investment and technology. Real estate technology trends. Explore the impact of technology on the real estate industry, including innovations like PropTech, blockchain, and AI-driven property analysis tools. Online real estate platforms. Discuss the role of online platforms that facilitate real estate investment, such as crowdfunding websites, real estate marketplaces, and property management apps. Real estate investment and environmental sustainability. Sustainable real estate. Highlight the growing importance of sustainable real estate practices, including eco-friendly construction, energy-efficient properties, and green certifications. Investing in sustainability. Discuss the potential financial benefits of investing in sustainable real estate, including reduced operating costs and increased property value. Conclusion. Real estate investing is a dynamic and rewarding journey that can lead to long-term financial success and wealth creation. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your real estate portfolio, understanding the fundamentals of real estate investment, selecting the right strategy, and effectively managing your properties are essential steps. By following the principles and strategies outlined in Real Estate Investing 101, you can embark on a path to building wealth through property, achieving financial security, and realizing your financial goals. Remember that real estate investment requires ongoing learning, adaptability, and a commitment to making informed decisions. Your journey to real estate wealth begins with a strong foundation and the willingness to take action in the real estate market. What you think about the video, let me know in comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.